Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the OnePlus off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits when you open the chassis. Once done, inspect the screen edge-to-edge for cracks or frame bends because physical damage usually means a hardware fault. Make sure to work on an anti-static mat and have small pH00/pH000 drivers and a plastic spudger ready. You're not trying fixes in software yet. You're preparing to access the display assembly. Since visible lines typically come from a loose or damaged connector, you carefully remove the back cover screws and use a plastic pry tool to lift the rear panel without stretching flex cables. Next, locate the display FPC ZIF connector on the motherboard. When you find it, lift the latch and gently disengage the ribbon. Once free, inspect the connector for debris or corrosion and use a 90% plus isopropyl swab to clean both contacts and ribbon. Then reseat the cable straight, close the ZIF latch, and press firmly to ensure a solid connection before reassembling temporarily and testing. You boot the phone after reseating to confirm whether the lines are gone. If the issue cleared, finalize reassembly. If lines persist, the only reliable fix is replacing the display assembly or getting professional service because internal panel damage or failed drivers cannot be fixed by software. Make sure to back up your data before opening service or replacing parts, and use genuine OnePlus or OEM panels to avoid compatibility problems. If repair fails, contact authorized service for a proper screen replacement and warranty options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.